so it's me again. We are gonna do a small little natural look just because I'm going out today and you know, safety is always important, okay? So I'm just gonna do a small little makeup and I'll be wearing my mask, so don't worry, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do is we are just gonna go ahead and use our Pro Concealer. And don't forget, all the products that I use, or some of the products that I use, will be listed below, so you can go ahead and purchase it on your own if you are interested. All right, so let's proceed to the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add some concealer on. So I like to put it right here under my eye because my eyes are super dark because I'm always on the computer at night and, you know, making edits and just, you know, just doing the most. So I actually need to get a new one. And this is in the color, does it not have a color? Oh, creamy beige, okay? So if you want to go ahead and get the color that I have, this one is creamy beige. And I'm just going to put the little on top. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my blending brush. My blender. Okay. And we're gonna wet it just a little bit with my Mario whatever this, okay? We're gonna wet it with this. Okay, so once you wet it with that, you can go ahead and just blend it much easier because it's both wet product on wet product. And then I just like doing it that way, okay? Okay. Okay, so I already put my concealer on and I'm just gonna put a little bit of some foundation just because my skin is looking not that pimply but just a little bit, you know. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm kind of like mixing it right now because this has been sitting there for a while. I haven't used this foundation in a while. So I put it right here and I'm just gonna put a little bit just because I feel like don't need a lot right now. And I have my brush that I got from Morphe and it is the 45 and yeah, it's a little dirty, but let's keep on going. So I just like to pat it on. Do not smear it. Pat it, okay? Thank you. I mean, I'm not a professional, but I mean, you know, after a while you just kind of hear it from videos and you're just like, all right, we're gonna pat. Pat, 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 pat. Don't forget the little nostrils. Okay, so once I'm done with that, we're just gonna do a simple little blush look. So this is the same one that I used as last time. It is the True Match. And let's go ahead and just put that on. Right there. So you're gonna go like this, just put it lightly first because then it's gonna be a little bit too much. And don't put too much because, and then your face is not gonna look as natural as you wanted it to be, I guess. That makes sense. So I'm gonna spray my little brush right here that I got, just so I can get it wet. I mean, obviously, what is it gonna do? Get it dry? And then I'm gonna use my Tattoo Studios that I bought from Walmart. Okay, it's like Walmart, if you see this, can you like sponsor me, because I buy everything at Walmart. Anyways, so I just get it a little bit like this, and we're just gonna outline the outside of the eyebrow. I'm not gonna do it too much because I really don't want a dark eyebrow right now. Now red, my bloody nose sleeping. You're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you, don't say. Done. So I just did it very lightly because I didn't really, I mean, it doesn't look light, but it's pretty light for me, okay? So once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my little LA color eyeliner. Okay guys, so I went ahead and just finished my eyeliner. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do lastly is I am just gonna put on my Airspun powder, and I'm just gonna set everything, and then I'm just gonna spray. I'm kind of like in a rush right now, so like I'm trying to get everything like working. When you take control, even if you know that you don't own me. And I'm gonna use this other setting spray that I have from CoverGirl. It is a cooling setting mist all day wear. Alright guys, so this is my complete look for just like a small little get together. It's really not like intensive or anything like that, just because I just, you know, I'm just gonna go with like family members or whatever. So there we go. I am done. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And I am so happy that you will support my channel. Alright, bye guys. Thank you so much.